Hello everyone, good evening and you're welcome to my channel. My name is Jonathan, and in this channel as usual I talk about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology and Web3. And for the purpose of this video I'm going to be talking about the blockchain. As many of us know, blockchain is one of the revolutionary technology of the 21st century. It is so because this idea has help to solve age-long problems regarding financial transactions and the idea of decentralization. Now, I'm going to paint a little picture about what blockchain really is. Now, if you are observant, you will realize that, for instance, when you visit the page of a celebrity or a legend, let's say for instance Lionel Messi, now, and you are careful to take record of all the information that was recorded on the page, for instance Wikipedia page. Now come back, let's say after Lionel Messi has won another Ballon d'Or, come back to that page and try to go through it once again. You realize that the information that is being contained on that page has been altered to reflect the new achievement or milestone of the legend. Now, the question that runs through your mind is that here somebody somewhere has the capability to alter the information that are being contained in this page. And that is basically what happens with most centralized systems. For instance, many of us we think that banks do not have access to our phone until when somebody dies and the next of kin do not go to the bank to collect their money. You realize that these banking staff have a way of taking the money from the account of the deceased without his or her authorization. Many of us do not know that the messages contained in our mails can actually be accessed by someone else. We just hope that one of the staff, or one of the Google staff, do not, decide to search through our emails. Of course, they have the capability to do that. Some of us do not know. Some of us think that our calls and our messages are not being recorded until when you commit a criminal offense. That is when you will know that all your calls, messages that you send through your mobile devices are being recorded by your service providers. So this is what happens with most centralized authorities, and this kind of thing cause a lot of problems for users, including privacy issues and issues regarding identity. So now blockchain is a kind of technology that have come to take care of this kind of problems. Now, when Satoshi Nakamoto wanted to create Bitcoin in 2009, they needed a platform, a technology that will handle the decentralized nature of Bitcoin, where no single individuals have authority over what happens on the blockchain. In fact, no single individual or no single authority will be able to alter the information that are being recorded on the block. Now, this makes them to build the blockchain based on cryptographic keys that enables computers or nodes around the world to verify and record transactions. Now, these computers or individuals go through a process known as mining. Now, what this mining does is to add a layer of security to the network. Of course, the miners get some reward in form of the token, the native token of the blockchain. Now, what blockchain basically is a network of computers, basically known as nodes, that verify and record information on the block in such a way that no single entity will be able to have access to it in a way as to alter it or change information contained on the block. Let me give you a kind of relatable example. Let's say you bought an equipment and you duplicated the receipt and gave it to 100 persons. Now, at every point in time, as long as more people comes with the same receipt, let's say for out of 100 persons, 70 or let's say 80 persons tenders the particular kind of receipt, the same receipt, as against the 20 that tendered a different receipt, the 80 persons will always be taken as the true reflection of the receipt. As long as there are more people that tenders the normal certificate or the normal transactions, the system will always reject the rest records, the rest people that did not come with the right receipt. And that is basically what happens in the blockchain. Now, anytime any hacker tries to alter a node or try to change the information that have been recorded on a particular node, what happens is that the rest of the nodes sees that information as wrong and they reject it and always present the right transaction, so that there will be some level of security with the transaction that happens on the blockchain. So no single individual, no single computer will be able, or node will be able to change the transactions or the information that have been recorded on the block. So that is what blockchain basically is, and it's a kind of the best kind of security you can have with informations regarding transactions or financial transaction or any other kind of transactions for that matter. So I think this has given some kind of picture of what blockchain looks like. Now, if you like content like this, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that when I post similar videos, you'll be one of those to get notified. Share this video, like it, and share it to as many people as possible. Now, in subsequent videos, I will talk more on this topic, the blockchain, and we get to explore more things that you need to know about this technology. This will be all for this video. Thank you and God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.